Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, this one. So we're starting for the look at that. Wow, see, very fast of Mr. Mustaqim. How to cover up the parcel? See, look at that. Today is vegetable with beef, right?
Beef beans.
Beef beans. Oh, nice it, huh? Yeah. So now they are preparing. The Mondays is how many?
200.
200, huh?
Right.
Wow.
Yes,
So,
290 rupees.
290 piece, huh? This is another one.
Another soup.
This is soup. Soup. This is Arabic soup. Look at that. So every day they are parceling. It's different Mondays. So this is preparation for the parcel. Yep. So now is finished the beef beans. So we're start to here. Now they are counting. Yes. See? They are counting.
Spoon.
See?
Soup.
Soup.
Shorwa.
Yeah. So start. So after this, we are moving to there for the baking plastic for packaging. Yeah. With fruits, banana, and vegetables. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.